How are we doing, folks? I've covered the seat, new seat cover on there, and I was going to make my own. Well, I've drawn one up in CAD, but I was struggling cutting it out. The seat badge or seat logo, so I've treated myself. So here's the seat done, recovered, turned out quite well, and here's the seat logo. So it comes in three parts. So you've got a backing piece which you peel off first, then you apply it obviously centrally to the seat, and then you peel off the front part and it leaves the silver bit behind, and obviously the hollow sections is where the paint's going to penetrate. But I thought I just need to test it first, the paint and stuff, on the whatever this stuff is, PVC, acrylic, I'm not sure. So this is a piece because I obviously trimmed the inside. So I'm just going to clean this up, put a bit of masking tape on it here and there, and just do a test spray with this, whatever this is I've got. Tetrasil Easy Spray White. Just to see that it allows the surface to bend with the paint on it, and I don't get any bleed through, because obviously it's quite a rough surface. It's got like a grain to it where the paint may actually run, so it'd be a very dust coat, a few dust coats. So I'm going to test it on there first. So I'm just going to clean it with a bit of brake cleaner, carb cleaner or whatever, mask a few shapes, a couple of dust coats, and let's see if it peels off and it's not bled through. So I'll be back in a sec. Yeah, I tried it with the white, wasn't impressed with the, didn't look right in white. I've done it in some silver acrylic, so it's very flexible, it doesn't crack. That was 3 light coats, and if you see that's the edge, just some random masking tape. It has given a sharp edge, so I'm now going to have a try at getting the logo central on the back of the seat. So I'll be back in a second. Okay, so just peel the backing paper off. So I've given it a good rub and tried to smooth everything in, and I think it should be there. Obviously go careful for the middle bits it's going to leave behind, like the middle of the A, the middle of the D, and the middle of the O. It's coming quite nicely. And I think if you fold it back 180 on itself, it rolls off a lot better rather than trying to lift itself off. Okay, so we're on. So let me mask it up and let's have a look at it before we start to spray. Back in a sec. So there we are, all masked up. I just used the pedal bin liner and masking tape. So let me get rigged up with my mask and where I'm on my piece of cardboard. It's not going to get overspray anywhere where I don't want it, and I'm going to go for 3 really light dust coats, and then we'll see if it comes off and it looks okay. So I'll be back in a second. Okay, that's 3 coats, dust coats that is. The paint is still tacky, you know, not flashed off fully, because I don't want the paint to fracture or tear. It's not coming off as good as I expected. Have to do a bit of picking. It's coming off in bits. But up to now it's looking good. Bit of bleed through there, I can see. Not the easiest of stuff to get off. It's coming though. Not bad up to now. Last little bit. Oh yeah, there you go. Could you live with that? Absolutely. Yeah, quite pleased actually, yeah. So, proportionally I think it's right. It's 125mm is the size. So yeah, I would say a success, and not the easiest thing to do, but yeah, worked out fine. Happy days. We'll see you on the next video. See you later, folks.